Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, where we explore the world of beautiful handcraft. Today we are diving into art of cross-stitching, a timeless and versatile craft that let you turn simple thread into stunning work of art. Whether you are a seasoned stitcher or just starting out, these design ideas are sure to inspire your next project. First up, we have a collection of delicate flower design. Flowers are a classic choice for cross-stitching, offering endless possibilities in terms of colors and details. From simple daisies to intricate bouquet, these patterns can add a touch of nature beauty to any space. Consider stitching a single bloom for minimalistic look or combining multiple flowers to create a vibrant garden scene. For those who love symmetry and bold lines, geometric patterns are perfect fit. These designs range from simple shapes like squares and triangles to complex mosaics that challenge your precision. Geometric patterns are not only visually striking but also therapeutic to stitch, as the repetitive nature of the design can be incredibly soothing. Next, let's explore some whimsical and fun design. Think cute animals, playful characters, and even modern pop culture icons. These patterns are great for adding a bit of personality and humor to your cross-stitch project. They also make a perfect gift for friends and family, as they can be customized to suit anyone's taste. If you love adding a personal touch to your home decor, why not try stitching some inspirational cord? These designs combine beautiful typography with the art of cross-stitch, creating pieces that are both motivating and visually appealing. Choose a cord that resonates with you and pair it with a simple border or a decorative flourish for a stunning effect. Finally, we can't forget about seasonal themes. Cross-stitching offers a wonderful way to celebrate the changing season or to prepare for upcoming holidays, from cozy winter scene to bright summer motifs. Seasonal design can bring a festive spirit to your home all year around. And there you have it, 5 inspiring cross-stitch design ideas to spark your creativity. Remember, the beauty of cross-stitching lies in its versatility. You can start with a basic pattern and add your own flair, making each piece truly unique. So grab your needle and thread and let your imagination run wild. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more information like this. Feel free to customize these designing ideas so you can create your own design with your own personal touch in it. Today we are continuing our journey into a world of cross-stitching, exploring even more design ideas to inspire your next project design. Cross-stitching is more than just a craft. It is an art form that allows you to express personality. Cross-stitching is more than just a craft. It is an art. Let's dive in some unique and beautiful design that you can try out. Nature is boundless source of inspiration for cross-stitching design. Imagine bringing the beauty of the great outdoor into your home as stunning landscape, majestic animals, or intricate plant life. Whether it's serene mountain scene or colorful bird on a branch or a detailed leaf pattern, nature-inspired design can add a touch of tranquility and elegance to any room. For those who love a more modern and conventional style, abstract and cross-stitching offer endless possibilities. These designs often play with color, shape and texture, allowing you to create a very beautiful design with the help of cross-stitch. Abstract pattern can range from bold, dynamic composition to soft following shape that evoke emotion and movement. This is your chance to experiment with different color combination and stitch technique. Let's take a step back in the time with some vintage and retro cross-stitch design. These patterns are perfect for those who love nostalgia and want to bring a bit of the past into their home decor. Whether it is a retro kitchen motif, a vintage advertisement, or a classic car, these designs add a charming, old-world feel to your stitching project. They are also great conversation starters. Simplicity can be incredibly striking. Monochromatic cross-stitch patterns are proof of that. Using just one color, a various shade of single hue, these designs focus on contrast and texture to create depth and interest. Monochromatic pattern can be minimalistic or intricate depending on the complexity of design. They are perfect for creating a sophisticated, cohesive look. Personalized cross-stitch design make wonderful gift and treasure keepsake, whether you're stitching someone's name, initial, or special date. These customized projects can carry a personal touch that make them truly special. You can also create unique design that reflect a person's hobbies, interest, or favorite color. Custom cross stitching allow you to craft that something as meaningful as it's beautiful. Sometimes small is mighty. Miniature cross stitch designs are perfect for those who love detail and precision. These tiny patterns are ideal for creating bookmarks, jewelry, or small frame pieces that can be placed almost anywhere. Miniature cross stitching is also a great way to use leftover thread and fabric scarf while changing your skill in a fun and rewarding way. Cross stitch samplers are a time-honored tradition in the stitching community. These designs typically combine alphabet, borders, and various motifs into one cohesive place. Samplers are a fantastic way to practice different stitches and techniques while creating a beautiful decorative piece. They are also a great way to tell a story or commemorate a special event in a single design. Mandalas with their intricate and symmetrical design are a beautiful addition to any cross-stitch project. These circular patterns are often associated with the meditation and spiritual growth. Offer both a visual and stitching challenge. These repetitive patterns with a mandala are not only soothing to stitch but also result in a stunning, eye-catching piece that can be focal point in your home. Why not take your cross stitching to the next level by incorporating mixed media elements? Adding beads, fabric paint, or applique to your design can create texture and dimension, making your own project stand out even more. These approaches allow you to blend different crafts and techniques, resulting in a piece that's truly one of a kind. There are just few ideas to get you started on your next cross stitch project. The beauty of cross stitching lies in its endless possibilities. Whether you are drawn to traditional pattern or love experimenting with new style, there is a design out there for everyone. So grab your hook, thread and needle and let your creativity flow. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crafting inspiration. Until next time, I will upload more ideas videos for you on my YouTube channel so that my viewers can watch all the designing ideas that I have uploaded previously. So viewers also press bell icon for these type of information, because until you can't get information until you can't press the bell icon. So let's get started and press bell icon, subscribe my channel, share this video with your relative, friends and family. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube.